Well, yes, friends, good morning. In last video, I told you about simple pendulum, and I derived that time period of pendulum 2 pi under root L upon G, whereas the length of pendulum G is the acceleration due to gravity. I forgot to tell frequency of oscillation 1 upon T, 1 upon 2 pi under root G by L. Means time period of pendulum entirely depend upon length at a place. But if we change the place, acceleration to gravity may change. And similarly, frequency depend on length inverse proportional. So larger the length, lower the frequency, longer the time period. If we keep on increasing length, time period will keep on increasing. And it appears that when L become infinitely long, then time period will become infinite. But this does not happen. So I have discussed it. Pendulum large length. Large means this is totally hypothetical question. If length of the pendulum is comparable with radius of Earth, then how can we have such a pendulum large length? It is, I told you, hypothetical question we can imagine. And if it happens we are living on the surface, there are so many other things to consider. To large length means infinitely, equal infinity. I keep on telling you, infinitely large means very large. Very large in comparison of some small length. Some small quantity, with respect to small quantity, the large quantity is called infinite large. For example, for distance of 20 centimeter, the distance of 100 meter or 1000 meter will be treated as infinity. I keep on telling you. Now suppose here is a pendulum. This is a pendulum here. Suppose it is the rigid base and we have this pendulum of length L. Now how can we understand it is infinitely large? On this topic I remember one question placed before Birbal by Akbar. Okay, it is a line without changing, without touching the line, make this line shorter. इस लाइन को छोटा करें तो Birbal was very clever. He drawn a longer line, then it becomes shorter. So it is comparatively, everything is in comparison. So if we draw here to this as Earth sphere, and we imagine that this is Earth and center of Earth is here. Then the radius RE of the Earth is compared with length of pendulum. Length of pendulum. This is center C of the Earth. RE is the radius of Earth. Now you can say that length L of pendulum is comparable with radius of Earth. Now, how does this happen? How to derive the formula for time period? Suppose at any instant pendulum is here. It goes this position. I told you many times what is weight of body. Weight of the body is the force of attraction applied by Earth to attract the body towards its center. ये चौक के सामने डायग्राम मिल पा रहा ठीक बच्चों like this. So weight of the body is the force applied by earth to attract the body towards the center, and now center is this. Now this is the direction of mg now. Let this angle be theta and this be phi, and this displacement be x. Now you can resolve mg. This angle will be how much? This angle, this is point OP. Suppose it is point A. For triangle PAO. This is x angle. Sorry, for triangle PAC. This is the x angle. It is equal to sum of interior opposite angle theta plus phi. So component of weight in this direction will be mg cos theta plus phi, and in this direction it will be mg sin theta plus phi. When length of pendulum is comparable with radius of earth, only we are discussing that. I think you will get it very easily. Sorry. So mg cos theta plus phi is balanced by tension in the string. mg cos theta plus phi is balanced by tension P in the string. mg sin theta plus phi is unbalanced force acting on board towards the equilibrium position. And hence restoring force F equal to minus mg sin theta plus phi. Now F by m minus g sin theta plus phi, or this is alpha from Newton's second law, or alpha acceleration minus g sin theta plus phi. It may happen that in first glance you are not able to understand. Read 2 times, 3 times, you will get certainly. Now I have told here as length L are very large. So since theta and phi are here, the small angles. So alpha is equal to minus g theta plus phi. From definition of angle is equal to arc upon radius. For theta, arc is x or radius is L. So minus g x upon L plus, for this phi again x and r is the radius. Or you can write here minus g bracket L re plus L into x. here G, REL and these are constant values. So alpha proportional to minus x, the motion is simple harmonic. Comparing it with alpha equal to minus omega square y, we get omega square equal to G bracket RE plus L upon RE into L, or omega is equal to under root G into this is RE plus L upon RE plus L. RE is the radius of Earth. So time period T is equal to 2 pi upon omega, or T is equal to 2 pi under root REL upon L plus RE. I write like this. Region is there. So here a little trick of mathematics will help you to understand. T equal to 2 pi under root. We divide the numerator and denominator by length L. So we get RE upon 1 plus RE upon L. Just to understand here something, we have done like this, sorry. RE. You know, time period of pendulum of large length. Length is compared to radius of Earth. Now, if L equal to RE, L equal to RE, कुछ छूट गया भाई? यस, G था यहाँ पे, G. तो T equal to 2 pi under root RE upon 1 RE, L equal to RE, so 2G. Directly you may be asked to write the formula for the time period of pendulum, whose radius equal to radius of Earth. T equal to 2 pi under root RE upon L. This is the time period of pendulum of simple pendulum, whose length equal to radius of Earth. Now number 2. If L equal to infinity, so RE upon L equal to 0, and hence T equal to 2 pi under root RE upon G. This will be the maximum value of time period. And this formula tell you the time period of pendulum of infinite length. Infinite means the length of pendulum much greater than radius of Earth. Infinity does not mean that length which we can not obtain like this. This formula, time period, I have told you in class 11, I keep on telling. It is the time period of satellite which just revolve around the Earth at negligible height. At negligible height. And if we put RE equal to RE 6.4 10 to the power 6 meter and G at 9.8. So T equal to 2 into 3.14 under root 6.4 into 10 to the power 6 upon 9.8. सेकंड में आएगा यहाँ पर 6.28 डेसिमल क्या कर रही है 8 upon 7 10 to the power 3 upon 1 by 2. 1 by root 2 by 64 49 7 जा इतने सेकंड 1 by root 2.7 07 6.28 into 8 upon 7 10 to the power 3 into 0.707 seconds convert into minute divided by 60 minutes. It is 0.101. Or it is 8 8 the 64 6 8 16 or 6 8 the 60 22 48 or 250 into 101 upon 60. Minute. It nearly come out 86 minutes, लगभग, maybe 83. So this time we fix. So this time period t equal to 2 pi root re upon g is the time period of pendulum of infinitely large length, also as the time period of satellite just revolving at negligible height around the earth. अगर ये यहाँ पर अर्थ है और सैटेलाइट revolving like this, so time period of that, generally this question I have seen long back in competitive exams. This was asked. Now in the next coming video, I will be telling you more about pendulum, time period of simple harmonic motion and frequency. Next my topic will be there on the same topic like this. Thank you.